So once you open the packaging, you should find yourself with 5 metal panels, support bars which are joined together in 3 on this particular model, and then a bag of 9 screws, but sometimes there'll be 10 or 11, so you've got a couple of extra, and also the instructions. But if you follow this video, you should be able to assemble it very simply. So firstly, what you want to do, open the screws. Take the side panel with the logo on, put that face down like so. And this is the rear panel. You want to take it so this angle part is facing up. Simply insert the hooked part through the hole in the side panel and push down. Simple as that. Then, if you notice on the shelf, one will have 4 holes and one will have 3 holes. So you want to take the one with the 4 holes, and also them 3 holes at the front is the next shelf up. So again, simply slot that through the side panel and push down. You take the top panel with the 3 holes and do the same. So as you can see, you're starting to get a structure which looks like the unit is nearly complete. So then you take this other side panel. This one's a bit more tricky. You have to lift these up gently and individually to hook them in. There you go. So what you can do now is gently stand that up. So the unit is in place, but the backs are not screwed in yet, so you have to be quite careful. Then we're going to put that face down. So now you've got it like that, simply line up the holes and screw them together. The unit itself now is quite rigid and strong. Sometimes you might need to square it up slightly. On this side, this is for holding drill bits, so if you wish you can fold them out so you can store drill bits. So for ease, we're going to bend that bottom plate out so it will sit flat so we can finalise the assembly. So now what you need to do, you take these 3 parts and you break them up. We do this to simply simplify the manufacturing process and keep 3 together with every unit we manufacture. So what you do, start at the left hand side, simply hook that on, bend it down, make sure it's centre, and then put it underneath. And do that with all of them before we screw that. So you repeat the same for the next 2 remaining. If you're wondering about this unique design that hooks this on, I was the person who actually designed this here, and it was a few years back now. The reason I've done this as a separate part is to save material. So if this was made in one long piece, it would make the metal much more bigger for packaging, etc. So this was a nice neat trick that I felt that complemented the design as well for extra strength and making it flat pack. So with that now, the design and the process is complete. So now it's complete, I'm going to fix this to the wall and hang my power tools. So I've put my drill in there, and now I'm going to put my impact driver in another slot like that. And then it's even got a space on the top to put the charger and a handy cutout for the power cable. So that will sit on there nicely. I've got some other accessories in here that come with that, so maybe that could go on there. And it's got space for 4 driver bits there, 4 there, 3 there, 3 there. And if, like I said earlier, bend this out and then you've got room at the side to put drill bits. So please remember, this is a MegaMaxx product manufactured in England, and we designed and manufacture this, and we feel it's a fantastic, unique product.